then my mind always dwells in thyself like other bhaktas, Kabir, Surdas. Then comes Chitta Karshini. The mind goes to sleep. It gets bored. Now, normal life, it is very active because now I am connecting to you. The next moment I am connecting to you. Variety. It enjoys. It's always active. Same boring entity. I'm sorry to say that. This is Maya. It doesn't enjoy that. That is why if I say you need to do puja for 3 hours or 2 hours, oh my God, 2 hours? Isn't a short puja? 10 hours you can give gossip, but 2 hours? No. Why? 10 hours, my mind goes in different topics, different people, variety. But when I'm connected to the Supreme, Chitta Karshini comes. Mind connects you to the world. Chitta connects you to infinity. Chitta Karshini. Who can enjoy the presence of Chitta Karshini? Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Deva Karya Samudyata, Lalita Sahasranama. Chidagni, I need to burn all my desires, all my preconceived notions, all my identities. Keep it like Suddha Spatika, pure crystal clear. Devakar is a mudyata. I need to understand the essence of my life is to do something to the world in which I am. Devakarya, Punyakarya, Kausalya, Suprajarama, Purva, Sandhya, Pravartate, Uttishtanar Sardhula, Kartavyam, Daivama, Anikam, Ahnikas. When I know what to do, my Vidyukta Dharma, and I'm doing that, Devakara Samadhita. Then Chitta Karshini comes. I can feel the presence of Mother in me. Whatever I do, Ishwararpitam, Chitta Sodanam, Mukti Karanam, Ramana Maharshi. Ishwararpitam. I'm not offering to my family, I'm not offering to myself, I'm not offering to anything. Ishwararpitam. I'm not donating money to beggar. I'm not doing a great service. Whatever belongs to him, I'm just returning to that to him. That is Chitta Karshini. Mind never works in that status of mind, completely filled with Mother. Then what happens is, whatever you talk, it becomes a mantra. Because you talk less. How many mantras we are reciting per day? Maybe half an hour. So whatever you talk becomes mantra, means you talk less. Whatever you eat becomes Naivedya. How much Naivedya you are putting? 1 banana, 1 coconut. So you eat less. See, the transformation comes. Talk less. Eat less. Whatever you walk will become pradakshina. How many pradakshinas you can make? Maximum 108. So, roaming around will come down. Stability will come. So, the transformation happens inside, and outside, life itself becomes a puja. Life itself becomes a saga. There is no other puja necessary. When Chitta Karshini, you can enjoy inside you. The moment Mother is there, in our chitta, automatically dhairya comes. She's there. Mere paas maa hai. I don't need to fear for anything. Even in movies, you see, when the heroine is in trouble, there's fear in us. But there is a scope that the hero will come any moment. The moment hero comes, we're all relieved. Nothing will happen. The moment the heroine comes, I'm relieved. Nothing comes. Dhairya. Confidence gives you courage. Dhairya. Doubt gives you fear. We have many fears. Whether my child study properly, behave properly, as if you are responsible for your child. Long time back we forgot. Vedas told that only for 5 years it's your child. After that, snehita, hita, friend. But still, we are scared about children. We are scared that the other person can cheat me. But still we pray. Antarbahicchatat sarvam vyapya narayana. We are scared of death. But we still pray. Atma is beyond destruction. We know what to do. We know how to overcome fear. But still, Jnaninaam vijetansi, under her Maya, we all enjoy our fear. It's so sad to see that we are scared of God also. Some gods. If the God is very powerful, like the tongue protruding with a shula, I'm scared. Oh my God. But I forgot that I'm a human being, a good human being who is reciting stotras daily. Fear comes only to those Rakshasas whom she is killing. Am I a Rakshasa? No. Then why should I fear? It's my mother. I don't need to fear. We are scared of stotras. If I am reciting the stotra wrongly, people say, I don't blame you. People say, no. Some one mistake, she'll get angry. All the bad things will happen. I don't believe in this. It is she who dances on our tongues as jnana or maya. Right or wrong, it's only for us. For her, it's a play. Dharma vivajita. So I don't need to get scared of reciting slokas. Provided I pray to her, Amma, you are the one who is speaking through me. I'm a listener. Then the fear of God will not be there. Strangely, we don't have fear of sin, which we should have. Whenever I'm getting anger, I should get scared. I'm not scared. Shamelessly I shout. Shamelessly I cheat. Shamelessly I doubt even God. That's why I make backup arrangements, even though I pray to God. Is it not shame? We are scared of lemon on the road on a Sunday. What personalities we have. You step on a lemon, oh my God, something bad is going to happen to me. We don't even imagine that the same lemon was in the garland in her neck. Amma is coming before me. A cockroach in a sink can make our life mess. Where is the courage for us? When did we become so timid? When we lost the connection Take the case of Prahlada. Hiranyakasipa was subjecting Prahlada to all the difficulties. Snakes, poison, fire, pushing from the mountains. Even though the danger is right in front of his eyes, Narayana, Narayana, Narayana Pahimam, Narayana, Narayana, Narayana Rakshamam. The smile on Prahlada's face never vanished. The courage, the confidence never diminished. What about us? We run to the astrologer and he says, after 5 years, there's the danger of accident. After 5 years. From today, we'll be scared of vehicles. That is we. That is Prahlada.